Here's what we're about to count down. 5 robot window cleaners ranked from worst to best for 2026. We cross-referenced manufacturer specs, Tom's Guide, RTANGS, and hundreds of owner reviews. You're looking at products with suction ratings from 2400 pascals, 10 to 12 stage safety systems, and runtimes from 35 to 110 minutes. As we reach number 1, I'll reveal the full ranking with all the data and the one with the plugged-in continuous mode. Now let me walk you through our research overview. Hi, I'm Alex, a digital AI avatar for ProGadgetPicks. I'm here to cut through the noise on smart home tech so you can make a confident buying decision. Links in the description are Amazon affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Cleaning large panes of glass by hand is slow, awkward, and risky if the windows are high up. The real question isn't whether a robot can clean glass. It's whether it will stay put without slipping, hit the edges without falling, and finish the job without a mid-pane recharge. I'm ranking 5 robot window cleaners from worst to best. Number 1 might surprise you. But first, let me show you the 5 products we're about to count down and the research that shaped this ranking. What I'd like to show you now is an overview of the analysis we've done for robot window cleaners. We'll get into each individual product right after this overview. What I want to walk you through here are the key things that stood out from our research, the numbers, the trade-offs, and the one product that separates itself from the rest. This first board is the scorecard, and it profiles the BNZ K1, our number 5 pick. The K1 scores 6 out of 10 on suction adhesion and 7 on path navigation, which is solid for flat glass. Where it drops is runtime, 5 out of 10 at 35 minutes, the shortest in the set. Dual auto spray with a half-liter tank earns a 7, and frameless edge detection lands at 6. The second board is the feature check, a side-by-side of all 5 products. Battery life ranges from 35 minutes on the BNZ K1 to 110 on the 2 flagship WINBOTs. The W2 Pro is the only model here with a plugged-in continuous mode. That single spec is the clearest differentiator in the comparison, and it's why the winner column gets highlighted on the far right. Board 3 is the owner verdict, based on over 400 verified owner reviews for the WINBOT Mini 2. 82% recommendation overall, and inside the narrow frame subsegment, it climbs to 78. Owners praised the slim chassis, the automatic path planning, and the 5 cleaning modes. The flag list is honest. Heavy watermarks need manual pretreatment, and runtime isn't specified. It's a fit profile issue, not a quality issue. Board 4 is the decision quadrant, value on one axis, capability on the other. The WINBOT W2 Pro sits top right with the highest capability score. The W2S is right behind it, and the Tosima W5 lands in the sweet spot mid-zone at a 40-minute runtime with ultrasonic spray. The Mini 2 is a niche fit in the middle, and the BNZ K1 anchors the entry point bottom left. The last board is the true cost board, a 2-year ownership breakdown for our number 1 pick, the W2 Pro. You're looking at pad replacement every 60 to 90 days, water refills every 2 to 3 panes, and suction pad inspection every 3 to 6 months. Runtime is 110 minutes in battery mode, or unlimited in plugged-in mode. 12 stages of anti-fall protection, and triple wide-angle nozzles with doubled water pressure. So there you have it, ProGadgetPicks overview analysis of the best robot window cleaners for 2026. Kicking off the countdown at number 5 is the BNZ K1, our budget-friendly pick. The K1 earns its spot because it delivers the fundamentals that matter on large flat glass. Twin turbo motors, dual auto spray with a half-liter tank, and AI grid path planning. What holds it back from ranking higher is the 35-minute runtime, the shortest in the set, and the lack of documented performance data on tall or exposed panes. So those are the reasons the K1 opens the countdown. Now let's look at the spec sheet. The BNZ K1 runs twin turbo motors with a dual auto spray system and a half-liter water tank, which is the largest reservoir in this roundup. Its 6-inch cleaning path uses AI-guided grid navigation across flat glass, and frameless edge detection keeps the unit from leaving the surface. The downside is battery life. At 35 minutes, you'll likely need a mid-job recharge on a large window array. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Moving up to number 4, the Tosima W5 takes our best value slot. The reason it sits above the K1 is the spray system, bidirectional ultrasonic atomization with edge-aware output, plus suction that auto-adjusts between 2400 and 3200 pascals based on detected dirt. What keeps it at 4 is the 40-minute battery cap, which limits coverage on larger window runs. With those fundamentals on the table, here's the full Tosima W5 breakdown. The W5 uses bidirectional ultrasonic spray through a 65 milliliter visible external tank, spraying twice per movement. Its triple safety system includes an air pressure sensor and AI-powered edge detection. Suction self-adjusts between 2400 and 3200 pascals based on detected grime. The limitation is reservoir size. At 65 milliliters, you'll refill more often than on the BNZK1's half-liter tank. Check the link in the description for current pricing. Taking the middle spot at number 3 is the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini 2, our pick for best for small windows. 82% of owners recommend it, and inside the narrow frame subsegment, that climbs to 78. It earns this rank on a specific fit, panes that wider robots can't physically reach. What holds it back from a higher spot is that heavy watermarks require manual pretreatment. That covers why the Mini 2 earns its niche. Now let's look at the specs. The Mini 2 runs a slim chassis that fits narrow and small panes, plus WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning that maps cleaning routes and detects edges automatically. 5 cleaning modes cover deep, fast, spot, precision, and a variable mode for varied soil levels. The limitation is unspecified battery runtime and spray configuration, both fields the manufacturer doesn't publish. Check the link in the description for current pricing. At number 2, we have the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S, our best edge precision pick. The W2S is a step change in capability, a 10-level safety system with a physical rope and anti-slip drive, true edge technology that positions within millimeters of the frame, and a 110-minute runtime. What keeps it out of the top spot is that heavily soiled glass requires multiple passes to finish. Now that you've seen where the W2S sits, here's the full product rundown. The W2S uses WinSlam 4.0 intelligent mapping with true edge-to-edge cleaning for precision against the frame. Its 10-level safety system combines suction hold, a physical safety rope, anti-slip drive wheels, and real-time edge detection. 3 wide-angle spray nozzles pair with rinseable microfiber pads. The drawback is weight. At 3.1 kilograms, it's not the easiest unit to reposition between floors. Check the link in the description for current pricing. And at number 1, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni, our best overall pick. This is the only model in the set with a plugged-in continuous mode, which removes runtime as a constraint entirely. A 12-stage protection system combines hardware and software anti-fall safeguards, and the triple wide-angle nozzle system delivers 100% increased water pressure over the previous generation. That combination is what separates it from the W2S at number 2 and earns it the top spot. And there are all 5, ranked from the BNZK1 at number 5, climbing all the way up to the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni in our best overall spot at number 1. Getting back to the full product breakdown, here's why the W2 Pro earns its position. The W2 Pro runs WinSlam 4.0 path planning with a 30% efficiency gain and supports frameless and tilting windows. Its triple wide-angle nozzle spray doubles the water pressure of the previous generation, and the 12-stage protection system combines hardware and software anti-fall safeguards. The trade-off is the multifunctional charging station, which adds significant bulk and isn't ideal for compact storage. Check the link in the description for current pricing. That wraps the countdown. The winner is the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni, and the 2 technical reasons it takes the top spot are the plugged-in continuous mode, the only one in this set, and the triple wide-angle nozzles with doubled water pressure. The full written breakdown is at ProGadgetPicks.com, link in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I rank smart home tech every week, so you don't have to. See you in the next one.